Hello, butterfly friends. So yesterday, Sue helped us remember one of the most important second step things that we learned about this year, which was what? Do you remember? That's right. We learned and sang our listening rules song together. So let's practice one more time together. And while I sing it, you at home can do the actions that follow. Are you ready? Here we go on 1, 2, 3. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time. All right, my friends, and it's important to remember that not only will you have to use your listening ears during group time, but you will also have to use them sometimes during meal times and story times. If your teacher is reading a story, you may have to answer a question, so it's important to have your listening ears on. Your listening ears and eyes watching also help you when it's time to do a transition in the hallway. This would be where you're going to play in speech or OT or PT, or you could be going to the gym or playground. So it's very important to keep your eyes on your teacher and your ears always listening so you know what to expect next. All right, friends, I have a picture to show you. It's about a little boy named Caleb. Caleb is in his kindergarten classroom and he's waiting to learn what his teacher wants him to do, so he needs to listen so he knows what is expected of him during his activity. So, this is Caleb, and this is his kindergarten teacher. He also, besides his listening ears, if you remember, he also needs to have his what on to stay focused. Do you remember? I'll give you a clue. We make 2 circles and we bring them up to our eyes. That's right. You need your attention scopes on. Your attention scopes help you focus on the person that you are talking to or the person that's talking to you, and you don't see anything else on the sides because you are focusing your attention on the person talking to you. And in this case, it's Caleb's teacher. And he needs to make sure his eyes are watching his teacher and that his ears are listening so he knows what to do. The teacher says to write his name at the top of the paper first, then draw a picture of his family. Caleb quietly tells himself over and over what to do. Do you remember what he had to do? That's right. He has to do self-talk. In order to do self-talk, it's just repeating what you need to do in your head so you don't forget. And when he does this, he remembers what he needs to do. He remembers to write his name first, but when he's drawing his picture, guess what? Caleb's pencil breaks. Now he needs another pencil to finish his drawing. Who can he ask for help? He looks at his neighbor and asks for a pencil. He needs to use it to finish his drawing. So by focusing and listening and using his self-talk and talking calibly, he knows what he needs to do. Now by being able to be a good listener and to have your attention focused and to interpret with self-talk, you will be very, very successful in kindergarten. These help me become a better learner. So until next time, friends, this is Caleb, and this is his kindergarten teacher. And he now knows what he needs to do because he, A, had his listening ears on, B, he put his focus on his teacher using his attention scopes, and 3, he used self-talk in order to remember what he had to do, and 4thly, he asked a friend to borrow their pencil so he could finish his drawing, and he used a nice, respectful, and assertive voice to get his needs and wants met. And this, my friends, will help him become a better learner in kindergarten. All right, friends, until next time, bye-bye.